We provide online Quran teaching services on Skype. We offer free trail classes. We have students in USA, Canada, UK, Australia, Europe and other countries. 24 hours power backup and high-speed internet. We teach 24 hours 7 days in the world. You select your time and days. One-on-one class per student. 100% satisfaction online classes. Highly qualified male and female teachers. English, Urdu, Arabic, Pashto and Farsi spoken teachers. Female teachers are available for female students. No age limitations. Get certificate on completion of your course. Online Sunday school. We offer many courses: basic Qaida course with Tajweed rules. Quran with advanced Tajweed course. Quran translation course in English and Urdu. Quran memorization course. Quran memorization for daily prayer. Quran memorization for daily recitation. Advanced Tajweed course. Tafsir al-Quran course. Learn daily supplications and many other Islamic things. Learn Islamic knowledge and important things.